Militants have killed at least 300 people in Pakistan in a series of attacks in recent weeks. They say they are taking revenge for a government's assault on the militant stronghold in Pakistan's South Waziristan tribal region. In a country where poverty is high and social security unheard of, death of a bread earner can have grave consequences for their family. The mother of a 19-year-old Nawab killed in one of the blasts had gone through trauma and she has become almost insane.
It was like hell let loose. I was screaming and crying. I got the news that my son was dead. My nephew and his father were also dead. I was also told that all the 5 shops belonged to us were destroyed. I lost my son, my relatives, and our 5 shops. I've lost everything. Now I have nothing to live for.
Muhammad Amjad has lost his mother and his sister in the worst blast in Peshawar that killed 118 civilians over 2 weeks ago. And after going through the trauma, there is little chance for him to lead a normal life.
We are living in distress because we have lost all the elders members of our family. We have no one to look up to. Without them, our home now looks deserted. We feel the life is not worth living anymore. We don't even feel like going to work. I have not opened my shop for over 10 days. We are still mourning.
And as the security has heightened and militants find themselves under increasing pressure from the army, they have resorted to striking the easy targets. The government's decision to hunt down Taliban militants has public backing, but the rising bloodshed is stoking doubts whether the military operation will be worth the cost outside the battlefield. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.